The other interesting strategy here is group offers. If you sell something that will benefit individual consumers. So let me use a laundry business, a laundry shop. If right now to clean or wash this kind of clothing that I'm wearing, let's say you charge 2,000 naira right now. 2,000 naira is about $1 plus for one of these. Then you introduce a group package. Under the group package, there's a minimum amount of clothes you can bring in, but guess what? The price drops. So if I'm on the group plan, I don't pay 2,000 for this. I pay 1,700 or I pay 1,500. What have you done here? You're introducing a group package, which is really a volume package, to say that instead of coming as an individual customer, if you come as a group customer, and your group, you can set the level, maybe minimum of 3, family of 5. As a group, you enjoy benefits individually, you cannot enjoy as an individual customer. So look at it. I know you have packages like, I think Netflix, you have like a group plan, right? There are all these businesses that have group plans, and the group plan is intentional because with a group plan, it allows you to get, with a group plan, you're making the customer spend more in terms of volume because now they have to go and look for other people to make up a group. You get what's going on here? So if your group plan starts from 3 or 5 people, this person has to go out there and find their friends or family to make up that group so that they can enjoy that benefit. For your business, what do you gain? You gain more customers. These are customers you would have not gotten if you were only insisting on individual customers. So start thinking in terms of, you can call it a family plan, call it a corporate plan for small businesses and companies. So they can come in as a group of employees. You can call it a house plan. Just call it something, but the goal is that it is a group plan such that it's not just for individuals. You need to be in a group to enjoy this. And there are certain benefits you enjoy as a group that you will not get as an individual. What's the benefit for your business? You lock in more customers. You make your customers go and look for more customers so that they can create that group and enjoy the group plan. So, like I said, you can call it a corporate plan, you can call it a small business plan, you can call it a family plan, you can call it a bodies plan. Come up with something. Come up with something that makes it, even the eateries, the fast food restaurants, like your, was it Domino's Pizza and the other one? They have like a family pack or something like that. Sometimes it's an individual who buys a family pack, but you put it that way so that it looks as if it's for a group. In some restaurants you go to, they tell you there's a platter for 5, a platter for 3. I've seen one person finish a platter under the guise of, but bottom line is, you give the impression that if you buy the bigger one, the one that is for a group, you get benefits. It can be price or cost benefits that you don't get as an individual. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, join the BMG.com.